From this to this. Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to get smooth and poreless skin. Be the Skin has an amazing skincare line from cleanser, toner, serum, even the moisturizer. Let's start with step 1, cleanser. These products for those who want their skin feel smooth as baby skin and clean and clear skin tone. This cleanser is very gentle, doesn't make my skin dry and tight. It keeps my skin hydrated. Step 2, exfoliates. Olive product contains willow bark BHO 1%. This exfoliator has gel cream texture and gently removes dead skin cell and blackhead in 30 seconds. My pores feels super clean and smooth. Step 3, toner. It packed with 85% willow BHA extract, doesn't have any fragrance, and has watery texture. Very fast absorbing and also removes excess dirt. Very moisturizing and light on the skin, perfect for daily use. Step 4, serum. I was very impressed of this serum after using it. It keeps my skin very smooth, glowing, and even tone up my skin tone. Also very lightweight. Doesn't leave a sticky feeling every after application. Final step 5, moisturizer. This cream truly moisturizing. Very light on the skin and helps soothing irritated skin. Also helped brighten my dark spot and pimple marks by promoting cell turnover. Also gives you instantly result before and after.